against a government's decision. But if you are protesting and demonstrating against a decision of the government concerning the economy, it's rather ironic that the form of protest that you adopt will cause great economic losses. Wage earners cannot earn their wages, continuous processing factories cannot carry on their operations. In some factories, wages would have to be paid, but there will be no production. So the net effect of it is greater economic losses. And I think when you're protesting a decision concerning the economy, you should not protest in a manner that causes economic losses.
Right, sir, in the wake of the situation that you consider withdrawal support, is there a possibility that you would look to give the publicity in terms of those that right at
This question has been asked and answered over the last 2 days.
Sir, is the opposite to stand, right? Getting new friends to also look into.
We have enough friends today, we had enough friends yesterday, we have enough friends today, and so I don't see any reason why you should doubt our stability. And if we can acquire new friends, why would we not acquire new friends?
Also, are you worried with the fact
All right, that was Finance Minister Chidambaram reacting to the bund in different parts of the country. Let's now listen to Narayanasamy.
You are all working, so where is the bund? Madam, आप लोग सब काम कर रहे हैं ना? आपका चैनल चल रहा है ना? बंद कहाँ है? बंद कहाँ है? बंद कुछ नहीं है। हम भी हैं, चैनल भी है, सब कुछ है, तो फिर बंद क्या है? पूरा मैं देख रहा हूँ रास्ता में इतना गाड़ी घूम रहा है। दुकान खोल दिया।
Support that is required for the UPA government to get the majority that is required in the next 4 months of an election outcome.
We are, of course, we have the support of enough members of parliament, and we have support of enough friendly parties, both within and outside the coalition and the alliance. And I see that we shouldn't worry about this. Important thing what we should be now concentrating on is what this country needs. We have tried to give to this country what will give us massive strides in growth, and we are not going to be able to achieve that if opposition is going to slow down growth by not working in matters as they have done today. I think they've shown their they've given us their point of view, they've shown their protest. Now let's get back and work. Back to our factories, back to our shops, back to our offices, back to schools and colleges.
Right, and sir, will the government stick to the stand that it has taken in terms of the reform, be it FDI, be it roll that, be it diesel price hike? Will the government stick to the stand?
You know, we have always spoken of reform with a human face, and that's what we have tried to do. Please don't ask us whether we will change the human face. The human face remains. We are absolutely convinced that these reforms are not for a few rich people. These reforms are what will support us in the outreach that we have, the most outstanding outreach as safety nets for the vast number of Indian citizens, many of whom require both food support, educational support and healthcare support. And it's the funding of all these programs that are possible only with rapid growth. So this is really the Aam Aadmi's reform. This is not reform for anyone else. I'll talk to you in the evening. I give you a full day. I'll give you a full day in the evening.
Well,